So Uma Kumalo and Maya they've just entered to the group chat, and people are saying that it was Musam Saleko's idea. He's the one that forced them to do this, guys. It seems like Vuyokas he's showing them Saleko's flames. Social media. Anyway, guys, let's get to the story of today. You know the rules of the house. I'm Melanie Pins and Vasile. Welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. So don't forget to subscribe, to like and comment, guys. Before I get to Mayene and Makumalo, guys, we all know August it's a woman's month. Please, ladies, make sure that you take care of yourself. I don't know, whatever you're doing in life, make sure that you protect your peace, your heart. A lot of ladies are going through the same situation. Some have been treated like they are nothing, but they choose to stay in that relationship for the sake of we've been together for 10 years, we've been together for 20 years. I don't care, guys. And let's not judge these ladies that are staying in this toxic relationship. Some of them, they don't even have anything. They depend on this man. Instead of us supporting each other and become one, we are judging each other. It's 2024, ladies. Let's support each other. If you know a woman that is going through difficult situation, stop judging her and help that. You rather judge a person, you rather save a person than judge them. Anyway, guys, I know it's my two-cent opinion on that, but I just want to say, ladies, I do appreciate you. It's your month. Celebrate it live, celebrate it with love and peace. You deserve all the good thing that is come for you. Don't forget to pray. Let's get to the story of Mark Malo and Mayene, guys. So, Mark Malo and Mayene, this is what they did. So, they posted a picture on on the same time, and people were like, this was Musam Saleko's idea. So, under Mark Malo, under the caption, she went on to say, Umfana, Umakoto Wemfana. People in the comment section went on to say, Mark Malo, are you aware that if your cousin just got married, she was celebrating Hello celebration? People under the conversation are talking about Vuyokazi and Mpumelo. First of all, Umakumalo does not involve herself when it comes to this situation. Yes, she has a good relationship with Mpumelelo, but when it comes to his relationship, she does not involve herself. And when it comes to Mayeni, guys, people went on to Mayeni to say that I am aware that your grandchildren are living, they are going to live in the UK. First of all, Mayeni was a good mother. She was a good mother-in-law to Vuyokazi. She even, that time when Vuyokazi had a sit down with Mayeni, Mayeni was like, it is up to Vuyokazi to decide, if she wants to stay in this relationship. We can never blame Mayeni for Mpumelele's decision. Mayeni has been a great mother. She even wanted Mpumelelo to say that these 2000 are not the same as my 80s, my 90s, they will never begazela to anything. They will leave, understand? So people are also saying that it wasn't Mayeni who influenced Vuyokazi to take this decision. Maybe Vuyokazi never had this conversation with Mayeni. She probably would have stayed to the same situation. And people are also saying that we think Vuyokazi got dated this guy when he was still with Mpumelelo. I mean, Izingani's Tembo was re-recorded 6 months ago. Maybe Vuyokazi and Mpumelelo broke up. Maybe it was recorded even last year around October, around December. Obviously, they were not gonna tell us. So for us, we see it now and we think Vuyokazi broke up with Mpumelelo on the last season of Izingani's Tembo, and then she got married to a 4-month boyfriend. It might happen that Vuyokazi and Sabelo, they've been dating for the past 8 months, to a point where he decided to say, I think this is the right woman. We all know that Mpumelelo also mentioned that Vuyokazi, she's not a wife material. Look at it now. The person that he went on to say that he is not wife material is now getting married to a man that values her and loves her. So for Mayeni, guys, he will still gonna have access. She will still have access to her grandchild. That's her grandchildren. She loves them. Yes, she cannot take everyone else because she also have a small kids. We still remember Mayeni was complaining that she's going through a lot. She has to take care of Mpumelela's kids, and then she has also to take care. There's something that is going on at the work. She was just going through. But for people to say that Mayeni, she's also for blaming blaming Makumalo, you are being wrong. You cannot blame Makumalo. I understand that. So you cannot ever blame Makumalo for Vuyokase and Pumelelo Saga. There's a lot of things that do Makumalo. She's also in a Setembo. She also has to deal with a wife and Amafav. Imagine now you have to deal with a Vuyokase and Terelo. First of all, that's we are being unfair to Makumalo, guys. When it comes to Mayeni, Mayeni, she's been open to these ladies. Even Terelo, I'm sure we have never seen Terelo having conversation with Mayeni. Probably they did have a behind the scene, because one thing about Mayeni, always say people are acting for the camera. People want to look at as if things are so good, are so perfect. If you even take a look at Mayeni, he does not praise Musamsaleko the way Makumalo is praising Musamsaleko. She will talk the way she thinks it is. If she's not happy, one thing about Mayeni, she's not gonna say, I may happily married my husband, that she does not agree with Musa everything. She always also say that you must not agree with men every. Once you start agreeing with your men about everything, just know that you are in the wrong marriage. You are not in the wrong. You are not here for the love. You are here for yes. Never be a yes woman as a married woman. So yeah, guys, that is, guys, maybe no one forced them to post those pictures, so they decided just to post. I think it is not a good wiki for them, so even if they post the picture, even Abong, if he's gonna post it, those of Vuyokas, guys, I'm not gonna lie, Vuyokas has a lot of fans. Even celebrities are coming under the conversation of Vuyokas. Like Vuyokas, she's the most loved woman right now in South Africa. I mean, Umihlalo was trending, people were dragging her. Also, Uterelo, she posted something. I don't know if she was shading Vuyokas, and this is what she posted. She posted this song. There's a song with umumfuna mshele inkomo keep a song on the same day that Vuyokas was training. I don't know if she was training to shed Vuyokas or whatever she was posting, but it was not necessary. But anyway, it is what it is. Tell you guys in the comment section, what do you think? Do you think it was a Musamsaleko for Mayeni and Makumalo to post those pictures because they are aware that if Vuyokas just got married, or maybe they were posting, that's their personal page. They have the right, whether Vuyokas is training or not, at the end of the day, they have the right to post what they want. That's their social media. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.